Good morning and Jai Hind students. As you all know, my pluralator told you two rules of S and ES. Yes, in the form of tail. And my pluralator told you how to change one into many, singular into plural by adding the tail of S and ES. Now, here again, today pluralitor is going to tell you about two more rules I have already written on the board. Let's see the board. Now, here the word that ends with F or FE, the word that ends with F or FE, we change that word to VES. That means we remove this last letter F and we in place of F we write VES. Same, this word wife is ending with FE. So to make it plural, we will replace this FE with VES, which will give you wives. Here it is ending with F, leaf. So to make it plural, we will replace this F into VES, and then leaves will be the plural form of leaf. Here again FE, life. To make it plural, we will replace FE with VES and it will give you the plural of life. That will be lives. But here also there are rules, but they cannot be followed in all the words. Like chief, if you want to change it to plural, you will not replace it and you will just add S to it. Roof, you will not replace F, you will just add S to make it plural. Then chef, to make this plural, you will not replace it by VES, you will just add S. Dwarf, you will just add S to it. Now children, this was the words that ends with F or FE. Now, there is another rule for the word that ends with Y. Like penny, the word that ends with Y, we will replace this Y with IES to make it plural. Penny, pennies. Like city, we will replace this Y and we will add IES to make it plural. But again, if you see, there are few words that ends with Y, but the second last letter is a vowel. So what we do, we just add S to make it plural, like donkey. Y is a consonant, but the second last letter is a vowel. So we will just add S to make it plural. Now here we have boy. To make it plural, we will not replace Y with IES. We will just add S to it. Now here it is day. So we will just add S to make it plural. Here key, we will just add S to make it plural. There are many more words which are there. Now look at here. This is wolf, which is ending with F. So to make it plural, we will replace F with VES, wolves. Now here we have calf. We will replace this F and we will write calves, and it will be a plural word now. Now the next word is leaf. Now we will replace this F and we will write VES. So it will become leaves. The plural of leaf is leaves. Now here we have wife. We will replace this FE and we will write VES, which will be a plural word of wife, that is wives. Now here we have knife. We will replace this FE with VES and it will give you the plural of knife, that is knives. Here we have life. Same way we will replace it and it will give you lives. Now same way I have made for Y ending words. Like this is city. We will replace it with we will replace Y with IES. Here we have penny. We will replace this Y with IES, which will give you pennies. Here we have cherry and we will replace this Y with IES and it will give you cherries, the plural of cherry. Now baby, it is ending with Y and we will replace it with IES, which will give us the plural word of baby, that is babies. Now here, as I told you, the last letter is Y, but the second last is a vowel. So to make it plural, we will add S to it. Day, days. We will not replace it with IS. Now key, keys. Toy, toys. Monkey and monkeys. Now let's do the book exercises. Now children, write day over here and date and classwork as we are starting this page today. Now I have already explained the rules of F and FE. Let's start the book exercise. Now the book exercise on this page number 13 says, say and write the plurals. So it is given one calf. So two will be calves. One thief. 6 thieves. We will remove F and we will write VES. One bench. 4 benches. It is a hissing sound, bench. So we will add ES. One reddish. Again the hissing sound. So we will add ES to it to make it plural. Reddishes. One glass. Again the hissing sound. And we will change it to glasses. 2 glasses. One knife. 6 knives. KNIVES. We will replace this FE with VES. Now a half and 2 halves. HALVES. Now one photo. 12 photos. Now one roof. 2 roofs. We will not replace this F. We will simply add S to roof to make it plural. So 2 roofs. Now one leaf. 10 leaves. We will replace it, the F with VES. A dish. Shh. Again the hissing sound. So dishes, and we will add a tail of ES. One shelf, and we will replace this F with VES. Very good. Now One piano. This is P. One piano. To make it plural, we will just add S to it. So Pianos, pianos. The plural of piano is pianos. One wife, four wives. We will replace this FE with VES. Now one chief and five chiefs. We will not replace this F. I hope all of you have done page 13. Now turn your book to page number 14. And on page number 13, the rules of Y is being are written. I have already explained that when we replace Y, we add IES. And at some places, when the second last letter is a vowel, we will just add S to make it plural. Now, let's do page number 14. I have not drawn the pictures. I have simply written the words. In your book, the pictures are also given. So, the question is, take the correct plural form of these nouns. Now, these all are naming words. These all are naming words. And now we have to tick the correct plural form of it. So, Poppy, what is the correct plural form? We will just add S or we will replace Y with IES. Yes, we will replace Y with IES in Poppy to make it a plural noun. Now, to make toy a plural, which is the correct spelling? TOYS or TOYIES? Yes, it is TOYS because the second last letter is a vowel. Now, cherries. Which is the correct spelling? We will replace Y with IES. Very good. Now, ponies. Yes, we will replace this Y with IES. Now, donkeys. Yes, since the second last letter is a vowel, so we will just add S to donkey to make it plural. Now, babies. Yes, we will replace Y to make it plural. BABIES, babies. Monkeys. Again, the second last letter is a vowel. So, we will not replace Y and we will simply add S to monkey. Now, berries or berries. Yes. So, we will replace Y with IES. BERRIES. Hope you all have done the work like this. Now, we will continue with 2 more rules on the next day when we meet.